What if I told you there is a peptide that can help you sleep better, burn fat while you sleep, and slow down aging all at the same time? I'm talking about DSiP. And before you click away thinking this is too good to be true, stick around because I'm about to break down exactly how this works, who should consider it, and why your sleep quality might be the missing piece in your health puzzle. I'm going to share a real cases from my practice where patients went from tossing and turning all night to waking up refreshed, from struggling with stubborn belly fat to actually burning calories while they sleep, and from feeling older than their age to having people ask what their secret is. By the end of this video, you'll understand whether DSiP could be the game changer you've been looking for. Hey everyone, this is Jay Patel, a certified PA specializing in hormones, vitamins, and HGH peptides. And today we are diving deep into one of the most underrated peptide in the longevity and performance space, DSiP, Delta Sleep Inducing Peptide. Now I know what you are thinking. Another peptide video, right? But here is the thing. Sleep is literally the foundation of everything. Your metabolism, your hormone production, your immune system, even your ability to build muscle and burn fat, it all comes down to quality of sleep. And that's where DSiP comes in. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we are covering cutting edge health topic like this every week. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I'll give you my personal protocol recommendation and answer the most common question I get about DSiP in my practice. So what exactly is DSiP? DSiP stands for Delta Sleep Inducing Peptide, and it was first discovered in 1970s by researchers who were studying the sleep patterns. They found this naturally occurring peptide in the brain that seems to have this amazing ability to promote deep restorative sleep. Now here is what makes DSiP different from your typical sleep aid. Most sleep medication just knocks you out, but they don't actually improve the quality of your sleep. In fact, many of them can suppress REM sleep and leave you feeling groggy the next day. DSiP works differently. It actually helps your brain achieve deeper, more natural sleep cycle. Think of it this way. Imagine your sleep is like a symphony orchestra. Most sleep aids are turning down the volume on the entire orchestra, whereas DSiP is like having a conductor who helps each section play in a perfect harmony. You get the deep restorative sleep your body actually needs. But here is where it gets really interesting. DSiP doesn't just help with sleep. During those deep sleep phases, your body goes into the repair mode. Growth hormone gets released. Your metabolism kicks in high gear, and your body literally starts regenerating itself. So, when you improve your sleep quality with DSiP, you are essentially upgrading your body's entire recovery and regeneration system. Let me break down how DSiP actually works in your body, and I promise to keep this simple and practical. DSiP works primarily by modulating your brain's sleep-wake cycle. It influences something called your circadian rhythm. That's your body's internal clock that tells you when to feel awake and when to feel sleepy. When this rhythm gets disrupted, whether from stress, irregular schedule, blue light exposure, or just aging, your sleep quality suffers. DSiP helps reset this internal clock. It promotes what we call slow wave sleep or delta sleep. This is the deepest, most restorative phase of your sleep. This is when your brains literally clean itself, removing toxins and waste product that builds up during the day. It's like having a cleaning crew comes through your brain while you sleep. But here is the cool part. During this deep sleep phase, your body releases growth hormone. Growth hormone is like your body's fountain of youth. It helps repair tissue, build muscle, burn fat, and keep your skin looking younger. Most people over 30 starts producing less and less growth hormone, which is one reason why we start feeling older and recovery takes longer. DSiP also seems to have a direct effect on metabolism. Studies have shown that it can help improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body gets better at using the food you eat for energy instead of storing it as fat. It's like upgrading your body's engine to run more efficiently. Now let's talk about an anti-aging benefits of DSiP because this is where things gets really exciting. You know how people always say beauty sleep isn't just a saying. They're absolutely right. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone. which is essential for cellular repair and regeneration. Think about it. When you don't sleep well, what's the first thing people notice? You look tired, your skin looks dull, maybe you have dark circle under your eyes. DSiP helps optimize this natural repair process. I have had patients tell me that after using DSiP for few months, people started asking them what skincare routine they were using or if they have had work done. That's the power of true restorative sleep. But it gets way deeper than just looking younger. As we age, our sleep architect change. We spend less time in deep sleep and more time in lighter sleep phase. This means less growth hormone release, slow cellular repair, and accelerated aging at the cellular level. DSiP helps restore more youthful sleep pattern. Better sleep translates to better cognitive function, improved mood, faster recovery from exercise, and overall feeling more youthful and energetic. One of my patients, let's call him John, is a 52-year-old was struggling with fatigue, weight gain, and just feeling like he was aging rapidly. After 3 months on DSiP, he lost 15 pounds, had energy to work out again, and his friends were asking what his secret was. This is the power of optimizing body's natural recovery system. Now, John also improved his lifestyle, diet, calorie intake. So, DSiP works great, but it has to be in conjunction with overall lifestyle changes and improving the sleep hygiene. So, let's talk about how DSiP can help with weight loss because this is one of the most exciting applications I see in my practice. Most people think weight loss is just calorie in, calorie out, but the reality is much more complex. Your sleep quality directly affects your hormone that controls your hunger and satiety and metabolism. When you don't sleep well, you produce more ghrelin, that's your hunger hormone, and less leptin, that's your satiety hormone. So you feel hungrier and less satisfied after eating. Poor sleep also increases cortisol, your stress hormone. Chronically elevated cortisol promotes fat storage, especially around the midsection. It also makes you crave high calorie processed foods. How many times you have noticed that after a bad night's sleep, you are craving pizza or ice cream the next day? DSiP helps break this cycle. By improving sleep quality, you naturally balance these hormones. Patient often tells me they have fewer craving and feel more satisfied with the smaller portion without even consciously trying to eat less. But here is where it gets really cool. During deep sleep, your body actually burns fat more efficiently. Your metabolism shifts into what we call it fat burning mode. Instead of relying on glucose for energy, your body starts breaking down stored fat. It's literally burning calories while you sleep. I had a patient who was a busy executive struggling with weight gain. He was eating well and was exercising, but the stress and poor sleep were sabotaging his efforts. After starting DSiP, he began sleeping 7 to 8 hours instead of his usual 4 to 5 hours. Within 2 months, he lost 20 pounds and his energy levels skyrocketed. He told me he felt like he had his 30 years old body back. Now let's talk about insulin sensitivity because this is crucial for both weight management and long-term health. Insulin is like a key that unlocks your cell to let glucose in for energy. When you become insulin resistant, that key doesn't work as well. Your body has to produce more and more insulin to get the same effect. This leads to weight gain, especially around the belly, increased risk of diabetes, and accelerated aging. Poor sleep is one of the fastest ways to become insulin resistant. Just one night of poor sleep can reduce your insulin sensitivity by up to 25%. That's like temporarily giving yourself pre-diabetes for a day. So DSiP helps improve insulin sensitivity through multiple mechanisms. First, by improving sleep quality, you are allowing your body to reset its metabolic processes overnight. Second, the growth hormone released during the deep sleep helps maintain healthy muscle mass, and muscle tissue is very insulin sensitive. Third, DSiP seems to have a direct effect on glucose metabolism. Studies have shown that it can help improve how your body processes carbohydrates and fat. This means better energy level throughout the day and less fat storage. I have seen patients with prediabetes improve their blood sugar control significantly just by optimizing their sleep with DSiP. One patient went from hemoglobin A1C of 6.2, that's a pre-diabetic range, down to 5.4, which is perfectly normal, primarily through better sleep and the metabolic improvement that followed. Whether you are an athlete or just want to perform better in your daily life, DSiP can be a game changer. Recovery is where the magic happens. You don't get stronger during your workout, you get stronger during your recovery. And the majority of that recovery happens during sleep. During a deep sleep, your body repairs muscle tissue, replenishes energy storage, and consolidates the adaptation from your training. DSiP enhances this recovery process. Athletes I work with reports faster recovery between training sessions, reduce muscle soreness, and improve performance. But this isn't just for elite athletes. This applies to anyone who exercise or even just want to recover better from daily stress. Cognitive performance is equally important. Sleep deprivation impairs consolidation, decision making, and reaction time. With better sleep quality from DSiP, patients report improved focus, better memory, and clearer thinking throughout the day. So, who can actually benefit from DSiP? Let me give you some real world examples. First, anyone over 35 who is noticing changes in their sleep quality, energy level, or recovery. As we age, our natural production of growth hormone declines and our sleep architect changes. DSiP can help restore more useful sleep pattern. Shift workers or people with irregular schedule, DSiP can help reset circadian rhythm and improve sleep quality even when your schedule is constantly changing. Anyone struggling with weight management, especially if you feel like you are doing everything right but not seeing the results. Poor sleep might be the missing piece of your puzzle. People dealing with high stress level. Chronic stress disrupts sleep and accelerates aging. DSiP can help break the cycle. Athletes or fitness enthusiasts who wants to optimize their recovery and performance. And honestly, anyone who just want to wake up feeling refreshed and energized instead of hitting the snooze button 5 times. But let me be clear, DSiP isn't magic. It works best as part of comprehensive approach to health that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, and good sleep hygiene. Now let's talk about practical application, dosage, and how to use DSiP. DSiP is typically administered as subcutaneous injection, similar to insulin for diabetics. The standard dosage range is usually between zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.3 milligrams, taken about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Most people start with lower dose to assess tolerance and gradually increase it if needed. Some people are very sensitive and do well with just zero point 0.1 milligram, while others needs the full zero point 0.3 milligram of optimal effects. It's usually used cyclically, meaning you might use it for 4 to 6 weeks and then take a break for 2 to 4 weeks. This prevents your body from becoming too dependent on it and maintaining its effectiveness. Now here's something important. DSiP should be used under medical supervision. While it is generally very well tolerated, everyone's body is different and what works for one person might not work for another. A qualified healthcare provider can help determine the right dosage and monitor your response and any side effects. I always tell my patient to start with optimizing their sleep hygiene first. Dark room, cool temperature, no screen before bed, consistent sleep schedule. DSiP works best when combined with good sleep habits, not as a replacement for them. Let's talk about safety because this is always a top concern when discussing AGH peptides. DSiP has been studied for decades and has been excellent safety profile when used appropriately. The most common side effects are mild and usually occurs in the first few days of use. Things like vivid dreams, slight grogginess upon waking up, or mild headache. This typically resolves as your body adjusts. Some people report feeling too relaxed or sedated initially, which is why starting with the low dose is important. Unlike traditional sleep medications, DSiP doesn't typically cause dependency or withdrawal symptoms. However, DSiP isn't appropriate for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it. People with certain type of sleep disorders like sleep apnea should address those issues first. And anyone with a serious medical condition should always consult with their healthcare provider before starting any new therapy. And make sure that healthcare provider is educated on AGH peptide therapy and dosing. The key is working with someone who understands both the benefit and limitation of DSiP and can help you use it safely and effectively. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about DSiP, from improving sleep quality to supporting weight loss, enhancing performance, and promoting healthy aging. DSiP offers a unique approach to optimizing one of the most fundamental aspects of your health, your sleep. Remember, good health isn't about finding a magic bullet. It's about optimizing all the system in your body to work together. DSiP can be a powerful tool in that optimization process, but it works best as part of the comprehensive approach to health and wellness. If you are interested in learning more about DSiP or other peptides, make sure to subscribe to channel and hit that notification bell. I am constantly sharing the latest research and practical application of cutting-edge health strategies. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your biggest sleep challenge. Are you struggling with falling asleep, staying asleep, or just not feeling refreshed when you wake up? I read every comment and often use them to create a future videos and the content for the videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be diving into another exciting topic in the world of longevity and optimal health. See you then.